Hello, hi. In this video, we will see how to set up and use online check-in. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to go to settings, property settings. On the left side, among the tabs you see, you will find online check-in. So the first thing we have to do is to go to settings again, and here, what we have here, we have the link. Okay, this is one link fixed for all the guests. So the guests should get this link. You can send the link the way you want. Okay, it can be via automatic email or any other way. Maybe you use WhatsApp, so you can also. So the link looks like this when it's open. Okay, so let's go back to the system. So what we have to do, we have to first enable online check-in and decide how many days before arrival we want to allow the guests to be able to do the online check-in. Okay, if you use any online payments, you can enable them. I will do that. Okay, here, and I will not require the payment during the check-in. You can require it if you wish. Okay, I will enable pre-check-in codes, and I will explain later how it works. And also, I will show my city tax on online check-in, but I won't require the payment of this online check-in. So it will be always paid at the reception. You can change it, of course. And here I will require only gender and nationality from the guest to do the online check-in. I won't require any document upload. If you need any, you can require it or make it active and make clear in terms and conditions that the guest should upload the document. So here, if you would like to require different information from the guests, if there are more than one guest in the reservation, so the owner will have to put the information you require here, and the other guests, they can have different info. But normally everybody just, use the same information for all the guests. So this is the first step. Then in terms and conditions, we use terms and conditions template. We have to prepare the template here in manager emails and printouts. I have already a template there called terms and conditions, and this is my test text. Okay, you can put the title, it's by default like this, but you can change it for different languages, and description as well. And if you want the guest to accept any extra information, you can put them here up to 5 points. This will appear like this to check for the guest. And in look and feel, you have also the main color, and for different languages you can put, in case of check-in success message, the title, descriptions, and things like that. Here you have also uh, before check-in and at arrival day, there is a different message. So these are the things that have to be prepared before we use the online check-in. Okay, I will save them, and I have a booking here. This is my booking. Okay, it's Test Paulina from 26 to 28. So the guest has to put this 26, 28. Okay. Well, let me just, I will refresh the page because I didn't refresh after saving changes. So again, Test Paulina, 26, 28. Oh, now we have. Okay, so we have check-in. Okay, we can check our accommodation information, extras if we have any. My rate includes breakfast, and I have city tax information and the total. So we go to check-in, we choose the gender, we choose the country, and we go next. Okay. The second guest, if it's minor, you can check as well uh, here, and next. Okay, and here, as I set up that the payment is possible but not required, so you can pay now and check in, and pay later and check in. I will pay later, and check in. Okay, so I have to check this extra option for terms and conditions, and I agree. And the system is asking me if I have already arrived or not. I would click that I arrived. So in this case, the system gives me a pin, okay, 3838. So if I'm at the reception, I'm going there. In the system, we can see that this sign appeared for the guest who made an online check-in. This is, we can recognize the online check-in reservation by this. Here we can see the information I put. Um, And here, for me as a receptionist, appears this code. So Pauline approaches the reception desk and gives me the PIN. And I say, okay, yeah, you are here. So, and we can finish here the check-in process, right? So we can do this from this window. We can also open the reservation window and do this from here. So this is how it works, actually. Yeah, it's quite simple. Just needs to be set up correctly at the beginning. Thank you.